Good morning everybody and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make DIY lemon ginger tea. Lemon ginger tea is excellent for inflammation. It is prone and it is known to take care of all your inflammation needs. You could buy the prepackaged lemon ginger tea, but I have noticed through my own battles with inflammation that the fresh lemon ginger tea is the best. You could buy any type of ginger out of your local grocery store. Take that. I generally take a small piece of it. I peel it and then I cut my ginger into about 3 to 4 slices and I add it to water. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So y'all, this morning has just been a morning of just peace and just time with God. When I woke up this morning, I thank God that He had me clothed in my right mind and under His ark of protection. As a parent, you need moments like these. You need this time and space for just you and God, just to sit in complete serenity and quietness just for a few seconds. Some mornings I get these special moments where I can be by myself and it's just quiet, the kids are asleep, and I can just look and think, like just having those moments, just me and God, just to sit and listen to a quiet house. It's priceless. And I love it. And the Bible speaks of seeking Him early in the morning. So that's another reason why I'm up very early this morning, because I'm getting ready to read my Bible and I'm going to study my word for a little bit and just seek God. And I'm just grateful for the moments and times that I have in Him. So that's all for today. I love you all, and I'll see you soon.